So our superfood snacks can actually be used as a meal replacement. Why is that? Because it does not give you that sugar rush, that sugar crush, because it does keep the insulin level steadily going up and slowly coming down. The reason behind it is because the ratio between the protein, the carbohydrates, and the fat in these snack balls, in these nutrition bars, are kept in a way that it reduces the digestion of carbohydrate, which is the fastest, the first one to go through the GI system, and it kind of slows it down because it's a lot of fibers in our snacks, a lot of protein, and a lot of healthy fat. And all of those, the combination together, keeps you full much longer, and you don't go through that hunger strikes that you need to go for snack after snack after snack after snack if you don't have time throughout the day to sit down for a nice meal. So definitely you can use our products as a meal replacement if you wish to.